Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Today we cover our mock test part 1 for stress management. In this video, we will provide some question and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So let's start our question first. Who first explained stress as the non-specific response of the body to any demand? So these are the options: Walter Cannon, Hans Selye, Martin Seligman, Richard Ray. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, Hans Sally. Now let's go to question number second. Which stage of the general adaptation syndrome is characterized by the initial shock and fight or flight response? So these are the options: exhaustion, resistance, alarm reaction, adaptation. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, alarm reaction. Now let's go to question number 3. A situation where the body can no longer resist stressors and becomes prone to illness refer to. So these are the options: alarm stage, resistance stage, exhaustion stage, recovery stage. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, exhaustion stage. Now let's go to question number 4. The automatic reaction to danger that prepares the body to either face or escape is called. So these are the options: resistance, adaptation, fight or flight, alarm. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, fight or flight. Now let's go to question number 5. Which personality type is cooperative, avoid conflicts, and is eager to please others? So these are the options: type A, type B, type C, type D. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, type C. Now let's go to question number 6. Positive stress that motivates a person, such as the joy of expecting a baby, is known as. So these are the options: distress, anxiety, strain, eustress. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, eustress. Now let's go to question number 7. Failing an exam is best classified as. So these are the options: acute stress, chronic stress, stress reactivity, eustress. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, acute stress. Now let's go to question number 8. The three C's of psychological hardiness are. So these are the option: control, commitment, challenge, commitment, curiosity, challenge, challenge, control, curiosity, commitment, control, curiosity. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, control, commitment, challenge. Now let's go to question number 9. Which of the following is not a stress related personality factor? So these are the options: hardiness, self cognition, locus of control, personality type. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, self cognition. Now let's go to question number 10. The concept of learned helplessness was introduced by. So these are the options: A.T.W. Siemens, Martin Seligman, Thomas Holmes, Harold Wolf. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, Martin Seligman. Now let's go to question number 11. Which glands release adrenaline during the fight or flight reaction? So these are the options: parathyroid glands, adrenal medulla, pancreas, kidneys. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, adrenal medulla. Now let's go to question number 12. The hypothalamus pituitary adrenal HPA axis belongs to which system? So these are the options: nervous system, endocrine system, immune system, digestive system. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, endocrine system. Now let's go to question number 13. What does CRH stand for? So these are the options: corticotropin releasing hormone, cerebral hormones, cortisol regulating hormones, central reaction hormone. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, corticotropin releasing hormone. Now let's go to question number 14. The adrenal gland consists of which two main parts? So these are the option: adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla, medulla cortex and cortex medulla, gland cortex and medulla, inner cortex and outer medulla. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. Now let's go to question number 15. Which part of the brain act as the command center for stress regulation through the autonomic nervous system? So these are the option: thalamus, hypothalamus, adrenal medulla, hippocampus. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, hypothalamus. Now let's go to question number 16. Which hormones ensure quick availability of energy from stored nutrients during stress? So these are the options: epinephrine, cortisol, norepinephrine, ACTH. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, cortisol. Now let's go to question number 17. Cushing syndrome is caused by excessive. So these are the options: hypercortisolism, mineralocorticolism, gonadocorticolism, hypocortisolism. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, hypercortisolism. Now let's go to question number 18. Stress is a known contributor to which medical condition? So these are the options: Down syndrome, irritable bowel syndrome, Engelmann syndrome, Apart syndrome. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, irritable bowel syndrome. Now let's go to question number 19. Obsessive compulsive disorder OCD is categorized as. So these are the options: stress disorder, anxiety disorder, mood disorder, personality disorder. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, anxiety disorder. Now let's go to question number 20. Which hormone does the hypothalamus release to trigger the HPA axis? So these are the options: norepinephrine, corticotropin release hormone, ACTH, glucocorticoids. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, corticotropin releasing hormone. Now let's go to question number 21. Which test is commonly used to measure anxiety? So these are the options: MCMI, third, STAI, BDI, MMPI. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, STAI. Now let's go to question number 22. Who developed the million clinical multi-axial inventory? Raymond Cattell, Theodore Millon, David Spiegel, Hans Sally. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, Theodore Millon. Now let's go to question number 23. Reuters Fourth Choice Scale 1966 is designed to measure. So these are the options: choice making ability, self-esteem, locus of control, cognitive dissonance. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, locus of control. Now let's go to question number 24. Stress and anxiety differ because. So these are the options. They are identical. Stress is a response to an external demand while anxiety often persists without clear cause. Stress is short term, anxiety is long term. Stress required medication, anxiety requires only lifestyle change. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Stress is a response to an external demand while anxiety often persisting without clear cause. Now let's go to question number 25. Which symptom does Padesky's anxiety model include? So these are the options: sweating, tremors, increasing heart rate, all of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, all of the above. So thank you friends for watching our mock test part 1 stress management. We will meet in next part. So thank you friends for watching our video.